So okay, let's say you put in $100, right, in Bitcoin,
Okay.
right? Let's,
Okay.
let's let's do the whole thing, right? Boom, right? So that's your $100 Bitcoin right now. The question you asking me is when it's time to sell, right?
Right.
The question I have for you is when did you buy that Bitcoin? And that's a good question.
What?
You understand?
Okay.
How could I give you an
Yeah.
answer? How could I give you an answer to that question without knowing when you bought into it,
Okay.
right? So, as an
Yeah.
example, the reason why I say that, when did you buy into it? When Bitcoin was at what amount?
Uh, I can say like last month.
Last month.
Yeah.
Boom. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. You bought into Bitcoin last month, right? Did you feel it was late when you bought it?
Uh,
Of course you did. I know you did.
yeah.
Because as soon as you bought into it, you saw it drop. Like, wait a minute. I done heard all this hype all this month, right? And then as soon as I
Right.
buy it, it goes down. Correct?
Yeah.
I know. I know. So the question, hold on, I'm trying to make this big for you. Okay. So look at this. Let's go to the 1 year. And you said you bought it last month, which was
Right.
February. February what?
Right. I
Feb-
can say February 15. No.
February. Uh huh.
Yeah.
What date?
15.
February 15th, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, let me go to this chart. Let me go to this chart. Because you're going to love this. Did you get caught holding the bag?
I did.
I think you did.
I did.
I think you did. And guess what? You're going to learn from me, my friend. You won't get caught holding the bag too much. You're going to love that. Because guess what? The reason why I'm saying this, right? Hold on. I'm sorry. Let me
Yeah.
fix this. Because it's true. And this is what's going to make you a good trader. Let's go to Bitcoin USD, right? So this is where it's at right now, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, theoretically, for a lot of people right now, you bought into it last month. So
Right.
you got to expect to hold this thing for a while. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Wouldn't you agree? Because expectations on Bitcoin is here, right?
Right.
And here. So expectations on Bitcoin, one is about 80,000. The other expectation is at 100,000, right?
Yeah.
And you write down here. So
Right.
the good thing about this is if you looked at the money you put into Bitcoin at
Right.
zero, right?
Uh-huh.
That means if this thing goes up another $50,000, you done made a lot of money.
Got you.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Cause there was a kid, right, who his grandmother gave him $1,000 to go to college.
Right.
You know what he did with that $1,000? He put it in
No?
Bitcoin. He put it in Bitcoin. So
Oh, wow.
his grandmother was mad at him. You know, you're gonna be a bum. You're not gonna equate to nothing. Why would you put your money in Bitcoin and that crap? Because they don't understand it, right? And mind you, he did that when Bitcoin was at about 3,000, right?
Yeah.
And now it's at 50,000. You know how much he made with that Bitcoin being at 3,000, going all the way up to 50,000? He
How
produced
much?
over $2 million from that
Wow.
$1,000 investment, right? And guess
Yeah.
what? His grandmother couldn't say nothing no more, right?
Yeah.
So that's and this reflects back to the question that a lot of people ask: when should you sell it? Well,
Right.
if you look at Bitcoin as a store value, let me explain something as well about Bitcoin. Is that most people, right, around the
Right.
world use Bitcoin.
Right.
We are probably the one of the only countries that doesn't use Bitcoin for shopping or anything, just as a store of value. Make sense?
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like if you look
Yeah.
at China, they're Bitcoining all day with their phones. They're sending money. They're going to the supermarket. If this was the case, you have Bitcoin. You could send Bitcoin right to my phone right now. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, Will, what's your Bitcoin thing? I'll send it. You can even do it through the camera. I've seen it all. So in America, we're using it just as a store of value. You understand? So
Right.
the perfect timing, I don't have that. The perfect timing is not now. And it may not be for a long time to sell.
So you think I can just hold it until the market if that hits up again?
Of course. Now I could show you this. Hold on. I could show you this though, because this is gonna make you laugh, right? Hold on, let me see where we at. Let me go back to this chart. So you said you bought it around here, around
Yes.
February 15th,
Feb.
right?
Yeah.
Which
Yeah.
was at 48.60, right?
Yeah.
So I could tell you I deposited $30 in Bitcoin in, let's say, like October. So by the time we got to here, I was at $300
Okay.
with that same $30 put in. You got me?
Okay.
Okay. So when we hit this peak right here, right?
Uh-huh.
I had already took that money out.
Oh.
Why is that? Because I wasn't going to get stuck holding the bag. What if this thing went back down to 20?
Oh my.
So I took the money out, right?
Okay.
And I kept. I mean, right now where it's at, 49. It's around the same place I took the money out anyway. Can I easily put back in $300 at 49 and be right back where I was from the get-go? Yeah, of course. Make sense?
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to tell you is there's a big difference between trading and gambling.
Okay.
The reason why they talk so much crap about new investors, because new investors are gambling.
Okay.
They don't know. You have to know your own in. You have to know your own out. But the number one important aspect of trading is protecting what? Your pockets.
That's right.
Not the company's pockets. Not the investors. Not the investment pockets. Not Apple pockets. Your pockets. Make sense?
Yes.
Make sense?
Yeah.
I hope I am, because I mean theoretically, Bitcoin is supposed to go to 80,000. You know I know, because I'm giving you probably the same numbers you watching on YouTube, CNBC,
Right.
and everywhere
Right.
else. Some people say it's going to go to 1 million, but if that's the case, let's see it hit 80 first. You know what I mean? I did a video back in December, the race for 40,000. I seen it go from 30 to 40,000 in one night. That I was surprised. It made 10,000 in one night. So